How to add a loyalty account to your IRCTC official account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can add your loyalty account to the IRCTC official account. So if you have an IRCTC powered credit card, then you can use it to get some miles basically, and you can redeem those miles for some extra discounts on your next train ticket journey. So let me show you how you can add your loyalty member benefits in the official IRCTC website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice, and once you are in the web browser, you need to search for this website, that is irctc.co.in. And once you click onto the link, you will be redirected onto the official website, which is irctc.co.in, and you can log in the website using your username and the password. So once you have successfully logged in, you will see the home page like this. And in order to link your loyalty account, what you will need to do is simply hover your cursor over to this loyalty option that appears in the home tab. And once you will hover your cursor, a new menu will appear at the bottom, and from here you can click this option that says add loyalty account. So simply click onto this add loyalty account, and now you have this particular field right here. So in this form field, you need to first enter your loyalty number, which is provided to you, and then you will need to select the bank name. So currently these particular credit cards are supported for the loyalty account, which are as listed for the SBI, Bank of Baroda, HDFC, and the RBL Bank. So these four credit cards currently support this loyalty program. And once you have successfully entered both of these details, you can click onto the send OTP button. You will receive a OTP on your mobile phone. You can enter the OTP, and your loyalty account will be successfully linked with the IRCTC official account. So that's how easily you can link your loyalty account with the official IRCTC account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.